my name is Vanie Padayachee. I'm the head chef for Marigold restaurant in Franschhoek. So the dish that I'm going to be cooking for you is Baingan Achaar, which is aubergine pickle. A dish that started off quite by mistake, but it is so yummy. It's one of those dishes that we have to start off with, give our guests the poppadom boxes. So it's an achaar and a coriander mint chutney, something just to get your taste buds going. And it's made with mustard oil and a little bit of black mustard seeds. And black mustard seeds, I really love the spice because his name is mischief, because once when you cook it and then it doesn't taste bitter, it's got a nutty flavor to it. And in goes a handful of garlic, some julienne ginger, handful of garlic, handful of julienne ginger, and I'm going to throw in some split green chilli. It's a very quick dish. A little bit of turmeric powder, some white wine vinegar, a little bit of brown sugar, and the smoked aubergine that's been chopped. And this, a little bit of salt, and this is Baingan Achaar. A very quick cook, and this is the dish Baingan Achaar, and I've pre-made some earlier.